In today's fast-paced network environment, managing complexity and ensuring security are major challenges. With AmpCon-DC, you can streamline your network operations while ensuring robust security, all through automation. Before deploying AmpCon-DC manual CLI configuration per device, involving multiple protocols like BGP, EVPN, VXLAN, VTEP, with complex steps prone to errors, difficult to standardize configuration parameters, making device consistency hard to maintain and increasing the risk of network failures. Lack of centralized management and poor scalability, requiring per-device login for changes or troubleshooting, leading to high operational costs. Transform your network management with AmpCon-DC, reducing complexity and enhancing efficiency through automation. Centralized template management for batch configuration and deployment, improving consistency and automation. Plan the entire network through intent-based design, automatically completing the underlay network configuration. Use the orchestration engine to arrange logical network elements and enable overlay network services on demand. Reduced reliance on specialized skills, minimizing human errors and enhancing operational efficiency. Visual interface and API support to simplify network management, improving scalability and maintainability. AmpCon-DC focuses on 5 core value points. Visibility provides comprehensive network visibility through fabric visualization, ensuring proactive monitoring and rapid issue detection. Insight utilizes telemetry for real-time insights, alert analysis, and ROCE optimization, enabling efficient network performance and issue resolution. Orchestrator simplifies orchestration, allowing seamless activation of DC and ROCE lossless services by integrating overlay networks, private clouds, and virtualization. Fabric Control centralizes fabric management, accelerating deployment and upgrades via ZTP with automated fabric discovery and switch NIC management for seamless operations. Automation eliminates manual tasks, enhancing network efficiency with automated underlay configuration and deployment, powered by Ansible and templated workflows. The entire solution is based on a 3-stage class architecture with high availability at the access layer achieved through MLAG. The fabric utilizes VXLAN plus EVPN for both east-west and north-south communication. The underlay can be OSPF or eBGP, while the overlay runs iBGP. The following demonstrates the specific steps to deploy EVPN-VXLAN configurations to switches via the AmpCon-DC UI. In the AmpCon-DC UI, click Service greater than config template, greater than template list, greater than upload template, enter the name of the configuration template and select the corresponding file to upload. Then click Push Config, select a folder and click Add Node. A node represents a configuration file. Enter the node name and its description. Optional, click OK to save the node. Add configurations to push to switches, using the configuration templates that you created before. Click Generate Config. Select a configuration template file from the drop-down list. Click Next and enter the value for each variable. Click Save. Click Save greater than Push Config and then select the switches to apply these configurations. Click OK to start the configuration pushing. Log into the switch via SSH and check the configuration deployment status. Thanks for watching.